Stuck with the Iernonce Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we dive into the Iernonce library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Iernonce library, the Internet Explorer once library. It manages localized run-once startup tasks after a localized browser update. It facilitates the localized migration of localized user settings and the localized display of welcome screens after a localized update cycle. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because Iernonce Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Iernonce library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Iernonce Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Iernonce Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Iernonce Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.